In this video, I will show you how to sign out of YouTube on your Android phone. It's not as straightforward as just pressing a sign out button because the YouTube app doesn't actually give you that option directly. But there is a simple workaround that will log you out completely. So, let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. As you'll notice, there's no sign out option here. Even if you go into the app settings, you still won't see a way to log out. To do it, you'll need to go into your phone's main settings instead. From your home screen, open the Settings app. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube, and then select the YouTube app from the list. This will bring you to the App Info page. Now, look for the option called Storage. Once you're inside, tap on Clear Data and confirm when the pop-up appears. This step will erase the app's stored information, including your login details. Now, go back and open the YouTube app again. You'll see that it no longer shows your account at the top right. Instead, it will prompt you to sign in. At this point, you're officially signed out. You can continue browsing YouTube without being logged in, or if you want to log back in, just tap the profile icon and sign in with your account. And that's it. By clearing the data from your phone's settings, you can sign out of YouTube on any Android device.